Good morning. So I am on my way to Orlando, and I want to see, once I get there, I'm going to go get my bags and stuff. So I'm going to see how quickly I get on my shuttle now that I'm staying in Animal Kingdom Lodge. We will see you shortly. Okay, so we're in lane number 6, and they said a 30-minute wait. But look, we're the only ones here. More than likely, we're going to be a combination deal, but I'm going to see how long it takes. And let me just give a point of reference. So what is that time? It is 9:33. So roughly by 10, I should be on and going. We will see how long it takes to get to Animal Kingdom Lodge, and it looks like we're the only ones. So we got on the bus in 3 minutes, 9:36. But let's see how long it takes to get there. But they're dropping everybody off that is in the Animal Kingdom area. So it's gonna be a while. But looking forward to seeing my room. It's not ready, by the way.
All-Star Movies.
We're finally getting here. See the center, there we go. It's my first time ever staying here in Animal Kingdom Lodge. Now, I've been here before, but I've never stayed overnight. For the record, my room is not ready, so I'm head on to Disney Springs and then come back later. So we're in the Kadani Village. Jumbo House is over here. Stop sign, there you go. So I don't know what this means. We're gonna find out. Again, we're the furthest away. We're probably the furthest away from Disney Springs, which we're going to try to get to. We're entering, there it is, Kadani Village. Park. It's gonna be so cool.
Kadani Village. Watch your step, please. Don't forget your belongings.
Watch your step. But we're about to go in and we're about to find out what the heck we can do or what we're gonna be doing here. But here we are at Kadani Village. So my room is not ready, but look at the view. Okay, Terry. Third floor. We're on the third floor. 7709. I am going to videotape us getting into the room. Cast members only 7703. Oh, we're almost there. It rang me pretty quick. Okay, I'm gonna kind of be weird because I gotta use my magic band to get in. But we're coming in. Here we go. All right, now we're open. And look at this. I have some food and some souvenirs. I'm gonna turn on the lights. This is my first time in here. So, okay, so we got a sink. We got a fridge, and the first time I ever have a microwave at Disney, okay? This is the adjourning room. Let's see if we can get some more light. There we go, some more light. This is the front door. And now you can see more of the room. So it's got some cabinets here, got a sink. Ooh, paper towels. Plates. Interesting, again, the microwave. Probably not the best coffee machine. Little kitchenette here. And there we go, a little trash can there. Again, this is just, oh, it's a recyclable one, cool. All right, let's check out the restroom. Oh, this is the nicest restroom I have been in at Disney World. Starting off with the toilet, we walk in, we come around, and yes, I'm wearing my mask. How you guys doing? Sink, the towels down there, Kleenex. Actually, it doesn't look like there's, oh yeah, there's some right there. Let's look at the shower, man. This is nice. This is really, really nice. Again, the nicest room so far I've been in. Let's see what this is. I'm assuming this is a closet. I'm only staying one night here, so I'm really not gonna unpack, but here goes my bedroom. Oh. And again, this is nicer, but I'm gonna put some stuff in here, but just in a little bit. I haven't brought my bags in, but this would be cool to stay here all night. Oh, I'm sorry, for longer than one day, but again, if I'm here. There's a TV. I'm looking, oh, yes, they do this with the remote control. I am going to, hold on. I want to see what they have because I'm going to eat something real quick. But yeah, the little work area right there, which I'll set up shortly. Here goes TV. It is turning on, and I hope the music starts. I'm a big fan of it. There you go. There it goes. 112. On Saturday afternoon now, a couch. This is too nice. Oh, we can open up, and this is where we're gonna hang out here. We can't see very much, it's not great. So because it's a standard room, I can sit out here and watch, but the animals are on the other side. But you can see parts of the resort there. There. And here we go back in. Alrighty. So basically that's the room. I am gonna go to Animal Kingdom shortly, so we'll see you in a bit. So part of staying here is, well, here's Sanaa, which is the expensive restaurant. But out here, you can see the animals in their natural habitat. So we're out here looking to see what we can see, but right now the giraffes are gone. Oh, there they are. They're the giraffes, but you see them out there. So this is so cool.
table's ready.
It's ready?
Please return.
So we'll be here a few nights, so hopefully that'll come.
Giraffes. I hear you. So, no, go ahead, ma'am. You're okay.
Sorry.
No. You're fine.
She loves to be paid attention to.
I gotta take some videos.
I'm sure he doesn't understand photography. The fact that he's coming right over here, right next to Max. Especially since he's looking this way. He just wants to know. He's paying attention to me. Our beautiful 3-year-old.
Hello again. So it's about 6:50 at night, or in the evenings, early evening. There's different animals. Look at the wildebeest over here. And out there in the distance is a zebra. So I guess they have different animals throughout the day. There's the wildebeest again. So trying to show diversity, and there's another zebra right over there. And again, I just think they got different animals throughout the day. So you can see I'm in the backside where the savannah is. Look at the hotel. It's just beautiful. Again, those rooms out there, you can they face the animals. I have a standard room, so I am not facing the animals, sad to say. So this is my first and only night here at Animal Kingdom Lodge, Kadani Village. What do I want to say about this? This is an awesome place. I got a really, really good deal, and that's why I'm staying here. And the question would be, would I stay here again? The answer is absolutely yes, I would stay here for the right price. I like it. The pros are the rooms are awesome. You could see the rooms are really, really nice. It's an old hotel setting, so you come into the hallway and you walk in, and then like behind me, it's the back, the outside. If you get a room that's not standard like mine, you can actually see the animals, which are on the other side. So that's the cool part. Another pro is the animals themselves. It's just so awesome. And then they got people out there, not all day, but most of the day. And they'll tell you all about the animals. You get to actually know their names, their history, so forth and so on. It's really, really cool. So that's the pros. The cons is it's far away from everything except for Animal Kingdom. And even with Animal Kingdom, it still takes a while to get the shuttle over there. So it gets shuttled over there. So the problem again is that if you're really, really going to go to the parks, or you want to go to the parks, this is probably not the place to stay. If you're going to stay here, do a couple of things here and there, then yeah. But you know, you have to wait a little bit for the shuttles, a little bit, you know, and I'm not going to say a long time, but probably a little bit longer than average. But again, it's so far away from everything else. So Magic Kingdom is about 20-minute, 25-minute drive. Epcot almost the same thing. So those are the pros and the cons. But would I stay here again? Yes, I will. And I said I will. I wouldn't say I would think about it, whatever and stuff. No, I will. But with that, that's what I think of Animal Kingdom Lodge. I hope you like this video, and we will see you next time. Create a magical day, running ears. I was about to say mouse and ears, but you guys are running ears.